Python difference between filter and map. Being new to Python, I am just trying to figure out the difference between filter and map. I wrote a sample script as follows. We see that to both the filter and map we pass a list and assign their output to a new list. Output of this script is. Question arises, is that function call of both filter and map looks same, so how will they behave if we interchange the contents of functions passed to them? This results in this shows filter evaluates the function, and if true it returns back the passed element. Here the function evaluates to. In contrast, map evaluates the function expression and returns back the result as items. So filter always expects its function to do comparison type of task to filter out the elements, while map expects its functions to evaluate a statement to get some result. Is this understanding correct?
They both work a little bit differently, but you've got the right idea.
Map takes all objects in a list and allows you to apply a function to it.
Filter takes all objects in a list and runs that through a function to create a new list with all objects that return true in that function.
Here's an example. The output of this is. Here's an example of filter. The output of this would be.
In map, function will be applied to all objects of iterable. In filter, function will be applied to only those objects of iterable who goes true on the condition specified in expression.
As per my understanding below of the difference between map and filter. num_list equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print list filter even, num_list, output, 2, 4. Print list map even, num_list, output, none, even, none. So, we can say that, filter, formats new list that contains elements which satisfy specific condition. Map function iterates through all items in the given iterable and executes a function which we pass as an argument.
I think yes, you got the picture pretty much. Both map and filter are ways of applying function to iterables. In map you can use multiple iterables, whereas in filter only one iterable can be used. Further, in filter the function _object has to return boolean only. For sake of example, following is the map with multiple iterables as input.
If you want to listen more, please go to Notice